relationship between Kp and Kc. The delta n is called number of products minus number of reactant. Okay, now the delta n is called number of products minus number of reactant. What are the delta n values? Number of reactant. If delta n is called 0, if delta n is called 0, the relationship between Kp and Kc, Kp is called Kc. Delta n values are 0. The relations are Kp and Kp is called Kc. Delta n values are positive values. Delta n values are positive values. The relationship Kp greater than Kc. The delta n is called negative. The relationship is Kp less than Kc. Kp less than Kc. For example, I2 plus H2. I2 plus H2 to give HI. The delta n is called number of product minus number of reactant moles. The number of moles of product is 2. The number of reactant moles is 1 H2, 1 I2. 2 minus 2 is called 0. What the relationship? Delta n is called 0. In this reaction, what is the relationship between Kp and Kc? Kp is called Kc. Reaction Kp is called Kc. Another example, phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride to give phosphorus trichloride plus chloride. Delta n is called Np minus Nr. The number of product moles is 2. The number of product moles is 2. The number of reactant moles only 1. 2 minus 1 is called 1. What is the value? Positive or negative? Positive values. So positive values means the relationship between Kp is called Kc or Kp greater than Kc? Kp greater than Kc. In this reaction, the relationship between Kp and Kc, Kp greater than Kc. Another example, nitrogen react with hydrogen to give ammonia. To give ammonia. The number of moles of ammonia 2 moles. Number of moles of reactant, nitrogen 1 mole, hydrogen 3 mole, total 4 moles. So delta n is called number of reactant minus number of product minus number of reactant. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal minus 2. So delta values are, n values are negative. What is the relationship? Kp less than Kc. Kp less than Kc. This is the relationship between Kp and Kc.